Hi everyone and welcome back to Excel with. Today we are tackling a super useful Excel skill, that is how to calculate 7-day moving average in Excel. This is perfect for smoothing out daily fluctuations in data like sales, export, imports, or even website traffic. Let's dive right in. Here we have a 14 days data set that is for export values. So to calculate the moving average, we'll add a new column next to our exports column here, and let's call it 7-day moving average. So let's name it to 7-day moving average. So there we have our column of 7-day average. So what we need to do in order to calculate the 7-day moving average, we'll count our rows from the first, that's number 4 here. We have the first date 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which comes to C10. So down here we will move to the 8th. Now we will use the 8 because we need to have an average of 7 days each time we calculate our average. So we will use the average formula, your equal sign, then average. And then now you need to select the first 7 days of the exports and click enter. As you can see, now we have on the formula bar here, we have average D4 to D4, which is this, to D10, to D10, which is here. So what we can do, we just double click here and the rest of the average has been calculated. So as you can see, if you click on the next cell after the 8th, the 9th cell, you'll see that it calculates the average starting from D5, which is 135, to D11, which is now 145. And as you move on down, it continues like that. So we can use a chart to be able to look at this better. So select all your data, move to your data tab. Move to insert and then choose align chart. In this case, let's choose the first one, click on OK. And as you can see, now you are able to see the average of your data 7 days after each 7 days. And this is how you're able to calculate 7-day moving average in Excel. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments down section. And if you need us to create a specific video for you, please let us know in the comment section as well. Otherwise, as always, thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye.